Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a pleated dress. First, gather your essential tools: a clean iron, an ironing board, a spray bottle with water, and a pressing cloth. Check your dress's care label to set the iron to the correct temperature for the fabric. Lay the dress flat on the board, ensuring it's smooth and ready for the next steps. Now, let's tackle the top section of the pleats. Start at the waistband and work your way down. Always use a pressing cloth over the fabric to prevent scorching and shine. Carefully press each pleat, ensuring you maintain its crisp, original fold. Take your time to align each pleat perfectly before applying heat, moving slowly and deliberately. As you move towards the bottom of the dress, continue the same careful pressing technique. If any pleats have lost their definition, gently refold them along their original lines before pressing. For particularly stubborn creases, a little steam from your iron or a slightly damp pressing cloth can work wonders. Ensure every pleat is sharp and well-defined. Once you've finished ironing, it's crucial to let the dress cool down completely on a flat surface before hanging. This helps set the pleats and prevents new wrinkles. Hang your freshly ironed dress on a padded hanger to preserve its shape. Store it in a spacious area where the pleats won't be crushed, ensuring it stays pristine until its next wear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.